everyone, a warm welcome to my channel, The Dynamic Duo Thing. As most of you know that the festival to celebrate the bond of a brother and sister, Raksha Bandhan, is soon to come. So today, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make simple and unique Rakhis at home. Are you guys excited? So let's get started. Items you will be needing to make a Rakhi are Fevicol, a thread or ribbon, quilling strips, quilling tool and stones. So the first step to make the Rakhi is to make a loose coil through quilling. So to make a loose coil, you need to place the quilling strip in between the joints and just pin it like this. Then you need some Fevicol, and before pasting it with the Fevicol, you can give it a perfect shape, make it a little more loose like this, and just paste it. Post making a loose coil, you will need to paste a small stone at its center. Like this. Similarly, you will need to make 5 tight loose coils. To make the Rakhi look more appealing, you can make the loose coils of contrasting colors like I've made it over here. After that, you need to paste them. So this is how the design would look after pasting all the loose coils together. After doing this, you need to paste a thread or ribbon to this. Pasting the ribbon, this is how the outcome of the first Rakhi would look. Isn't it beautiful? Now let's start making the second Rakhi. After sticking, you need to give it a diamond shape like this. Similarly, you will need to make 2 more diamonds. So overall, you will need to make 3 diamonds. And after that, you need to paste a small stone. Like this. After making 3 diamond shapes, this is how it would look. You just need to paste these 3 on a thread or ribbon. So this is how the second Rakhi would look finally after pasting the thread to it. I hope you guys liked both the Rakhi designs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share to this video and subscribe to my channel, The Dynamic Duo Thing.